Snapchat. I know you guys find me fucking annoying, but this is how I woke up. I'm gonna get ready right now because we're having friend mess today, and yeah, I'm gonna vlog a little bit on Snapchat.
Okay, update. I am ready. As you can tell, I have no makeup on. What is wrong with me? I gotta go get my brows done, so if I do my makeup, it's gonna get fucked up anyway. So I'm waiting a little bit of lip gloss. I did my hair. I didn't take a shower. TMI. I just sprayed a lot of, you know, I was gonna say air freshener, not air freshener, freshener. Anyways, salí con la misma camisa de siempre. Right now I'm gonna go somewhere. I'm not gonna say where because I know my friends are gonna be watching this, and obviously I'm such a bad friend. I'm literally getting the gift on day of Friendmas, so yeah, but I'll keep you guys posted. What house too, I want to let you guys know I am vlogging on Snapchat because I will be posting this on my channel so that the people that haven't met me here on Snapchat get to see what I do because I'm so stupid anyways. Yes, so if you're like, why are you being so cringy? I just left my fucking keys outside. Great. That's why I'm doing it, and I also want to thank you guys, whoever's adding me on here. Like, it's been growing and the love and support is amazing. So thank you so much for subscribing and also joining me here on Snapchat. I love you guys.
Should I make a video or
Okay, so step one is done. Now I'm heading to go get my friends' gifts. Yeah, I'm not gonna say that because they are watching my Snapchat right now. I bet you 100%. So I'm just gonna get that for them, and then I'll keep you guys updated and posted and all that shenanigans. We're at Food Max now. I'm gonna go pick up some chicken and pick up some chocolate cake, and then after that we have one more stop, and then I'm done and I can get home, get ready because Friendmas is almost here. What?
The zips be so fluffy, the whole town love me. At every event, I'm sacked up, so if you need me, scream double R when you see. I'm starting to feel my skrill above my house today. My skill ain't feeling me. But I step back.
How do you know?
Why are you stealing him from me? He's mine. He's my Paco. He's my Paco. He's my Paco, huh? Paco. To you. I don't know if you guys can see, but he just touched a cactus because he's dumb. So now I need to take all of those.
I need a band-aid.
Virgo, that's not gonna help. Cactuses are really hard to take off.
At least you didn't get it in your face.
It hurts even more in your face.
Don't cry. Be a man. Tico. Tico. Don't cry because it's gonna hurt more.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Okay, you're gonna be strong. Be strong.
Who's going to take it out?
Me. I'm just waiting for the... Just pick it up, Kenya.
Okay.
My fingers are swollen.
Mira, it's not gonna fucking...
I need gloves.
Dude, just pick it up and then go grab a toalla mojada and clean up the mess right there. Why are you so afraid to pick it up? It's just a cactus, bruh. No, you would be stupid to go put your hand back in there. Are you okay now? It doesn't hurt, okay? We took everything out.
Put it right there. Yeah.
Great.
we're fat asses. And now we're gonna chill. And then we're gonna go to a panic room where we're gonna panic. It's an escape room. Jessica said it was a panic room. So it's literally a room where you literally scream your eyes out and you like panic. Guys, my friend said I'm hella ugly because I'm wearing my freaking pajamas. So now I have to go change. Because we're going out, you can't be going out.
Guys, we're like running late right now, and I'm trying to look cute and shit.
Dude, your steering wheel is too low.
My steering wheel's too fucking low. Cause you drank, homegirl. That's why we're driving. I'm not driving because I'm driving. What the fuck? I don't even know what I'm saying. I already went over this with you guys. I don't know about cars, so my friends keep asking me how to do certain things on my car. And I told him I keep adjusting this because my head is so small.
You wanted to, my Bluetooth is
And
on
now, like, I feel like this is dangling, like, weirdly, but... And then I feel like this is too thick. I just need to find out how to do it, guys, but...
I feel like you're making it super complicated, like it's
Shut up! Nobody's talking to Selema.
I got the same hat, and it's burgundy.
She just made it complicated because it's red, and now she's saying it's burgundy. Okay.
It's burgundy.
We have arrived. So we just got out of the panic room. Super sick. You guys should check it out. We literally worked as a team. It was amazing. It's literally like te encierran en un cuarto and they're like, get out. And we got to the second part of the room. The third part of the room. Right? Dude, it was so hard. It was so hard. Creo que duramos más con el pinche lazo ahí. Porque we had to like lasso something to get keys to get out. But it was pretty dope as fuck. I couldn't record in there because they said no phones allowed. But super sick, guys. Honestly, I recommend it. Before, let's eat some cake. What? Oh.
Dude,